In this video tutorial, we are going to be doing a couple things. We are going to be editing some images to print, and usually I do sublimation, so that's what I'm going to talk about today mostly, but you could use this in any of your print projects. So we are going to be editing some images, and the first one we're going to work on, I found in Creative Fabrica. These are some mascot templates that I thought were really neat. So we are going to download this. So I already downloaded it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the document that I downloaded because this is going to come in as a PDF. And so I am going to open this file. And so what we're going to do is we are going to take this and we're going to scroll down to click me. But before you do that, you do have to have your Canva account open. So if you don't have a Canva account yet, you can set up a free Canva account, or I have Pro, so I already have my Canva Pro account opened. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to hit click me. And that is going to bring us to this template, which then I am going to scroll down and it says use template for new design. So I'm going to click on that and it should take us to our Canva. Give it a second here to upload. All right, here we go. So now what that did is it brought in these templates into Canva. I'm going to scroll through them so that you can see them here. Maybe I'll make them a little bit bigger. You can see that there's different colors, you can pick the one that you want that best goes with the school colors per se. That's what I'm going to be using this for. I'm going to put my grandson's football picture in. And so there are so many, there are 30 of them. So now I'm just going to go back up here to the top because his school colors are kind of a dark blue. And so I am going to go to this one. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so that you can see better. So the first thing I'm going to do here is you can see that these are the diamond images. When you scroll over them, you can see that. But what I want is the word here. So right there we go. So now I'm going to customize the word. See where it says custom there? Right, double click on that and I am going to put lightning in there. Oops, let me just erase that, sorry. All right, so I'm going to do this again, get in there. Whoop, make sure that you're just doing the word section on this. So now there's the word. So now I'm going to change that word to lightning. So there we go. And then I'm going to change this word to football. Oop, I have my cap locks on. Lightning football. And then his number is 21. So I'm going to change that 5 to a 21. And then I'm just going to put his first name in here, Levi. So now we have our template set. So now I'm going to go to my uploads and I'm going to find a football picture of him. Let's see, this one here. I'm going to bring that in. And now what I want to do to that image is I want to go up here to edit. And the first thing I want to do is I want to remove the background. So I'm going to hit background to remove. Now you do have to have a pro to remove the background. Now there are free background removers that you can use. Creative Fabrica has one. So you can go into Creative Fabrica. Let's see here, see if I can find it here. Under tools, well, you can go to background remover here and you can remove the background here. Let's see how that works. I don't have that image uploaded, but anyway, you would pull that image in here and click remove background, and you can do it that way too. So now we are going to go back to this. Now see how it removed that background? It removed it. Wonderful. So now I'm going to slide this up in here, get it centered, and that's it. So now what I can do is I can download this image. Of course, I don't want the black background. And because I do have Pro, I can remove the background. Now, if you don't have Pro, you'll have a black background. But so now I'm going to raise up my DPI here because I do have Pro. I don't need it all the way up there, although that's a good size image. So you can also print this in PDF. So you can go to PDF print here, and you would want to select CMYK, best for professional printing. So you could do that. And then you could just go to the page that we are doing. Of course, we don't want all pages. So we're going to select the current page only, and you can download it that way as a PDF and print it. That is a free option for you. But I am going to do the PNG with the transparent background. I'm going to keep the DPI all the way up. So I am going to download, make sure I only have current page number 4. So I'm going to download that so that you can see what this looks like. So now it will have the transparent background, and then you can use it for sublimation on a tumbler, a mug, on a shirt, whatever you want. So let's see when this is done here. I will open this up so that you can see it. But I love these templates that you can get in Creative Fabrica that you can bring into Canva and edit. It makes really, really easy editing. So let's get our image up here. You can see there it is, and it is ready to go. Let's pull it into a Word document so that we can make sure that it is completely. Go to layout here, my margin 0, orientation, I'll do landscape. I already have my size in there. So let's insert this image just so that you can see what it looks like. Go to downloads here and get my picture. And there you go. You can see it's got the transparent background. Now, what you do when you're in Word to print this is I go to layout options and I want to use wrap text. And so I'm going to pull that up. And so then you can move this around on your page. And then if you go over here, you can see the size. It came in at 5 by 5, but you can raise this up to any size either by using the arrows or just by pulling it here. So that makes it really easy to resize your image. So now you can see that it's 9.83, but that's also including this white area. So there you go. That is how you can edit a template like that in Canva. Makes it very, very easy. So now I'm going to go to Canva, and the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to do a custom size image. And I have some pre-selected here, but I just wanted to show you that you can change, what you're going to use for units here. I want inches, but I have some already done. I like to use 8 by 8 is a pretty good size image design for me. That works really well for me. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to uploads, and I'm going to grab another picture. This one here. This one is, I brought it in twice here. Let me delete that one. I'm going to stretch this out, and we're going to play with this image because the coloring on this image is not really great. So now I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to go to edit here. So I'm going to click that button. Now there are a lot of things that you can do, but like I said, anything with the crown on it here you're going to need Canva Pro for that. But so I'm going to remove the background here just so that you can see how great that works. It works really, really well. Now I'm going to add another page, and I'm going to bring that same image in again, stretch it out here. And now I'm going to try editing again. So I brought the image in and we have it highlighted. You can click edit and it brings in all of these options again. So you can use the magic eraser and you can edit out things, whatever you want to do here. So just erase. And I just want to show you what it'll look like when you use the magic eraser. So it removed his shadow in the window. You could possibly remove this shadow of a person here. It depends on how deep it goes. So let's get this out and see what happens here. Yep, see, it worked really well for deleting some things that you want to delete there. But now I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to add another page and bring in that same image again. And this time, when I click edit here, we're going to go to image adjustment here. So we're going to go to adjust, and there are so many things you can do. First off, you can pick whole image foreground or background. So let's do the background here. So you can make it lighter or darker in the background. You can change the tint of just the background. I would kind of stay away from temperature and tint. You can work on contrast a little bit, but you don't want to distort your picture too much. Highlights and lowlights. This is just doing the background of the image. So now color, again, you want to make sure that you're not getting too red. So this one's kind of neat here. That one kind of blurs the background a little bit. Clarity. And then this one I really like. You can kind of curve your corners a little bit on there. See how that vignette changes the whole look of the image. So I'll leave that one there. Now I'm going to do it again. I'm going to add that image again here and show you some other things that you can do. So again, I'm highlighting my image, go to edit, and we're going to go into adjust. And again, you can do the foreground too, or the whole image. So now this will just change the look of my grandson there. So you can go to brightness here and brighten him up, do whatever you need to do. I like that a lot. So now we'll go to whole image, which I already brightened him up. So, it's going to be harder, but okay. So you can see how that works. Now let's add another one. You can work on the same image. You can use all of these. I just thought I would show you, especially on this one, because of there's so much wrong with this picture. There's shadow in the window, there's shadow on the right side. And so I thought it would be nice to just edit this. Using this picture works really well to show you some of this editing. So now let's go down here. So we can edit just a certain color and change the hues in that color or however you want to do it. See, now you can have the kind of that black and white image look, but yet his tie pops there. So you can have that sepia look to it. So, and then again, you can do the sharpness and the vignette to this too. And so, and then we can go in here, go back up. Whoops, go back down to this one. I'm kind of having fun playing with this one. And I can, let's see here, go back, get out of here and go to Magic Eraser. And then I can kind of take out some of this image in the window here. See if this works on it now that I have done some adjusting to it. Let's see what happens with the Magic Eraser. Oh, that worked out really well. So now I'm going to do it again here with this shadow. I assume that's my daughter taking some pictures there. So I'll get that shadow out, erase. And as you can see, it really changes the image to get the look that you want. So there's a lot of features in Canva that you can use. I suggest getting the Canva Pro if you really want to make some of these designs look amazing. So anyway, I just wanted to go over a few things from Creative Fabrica and from Canva where you can work on things to get the look that you are going for, especially for he's a senior this year, so his mom's going to be looking for all kinds of fun things for graduation, and it's going to make it really fun to put these on some metal signs or on some whiteboards. And so it just makes designing really fun. Well, thank you for joining me today. Please see links below, especially for the Creative Fabrica All Access and for things that I use in my other sublimation videos. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.